continue on. We're past that a little bit. See where we end up. So yeah, great improvement. A little bit of light makes a huge difference. And the other thing we had, well, started today, was power shortages, electricity upgrades, substations apparently, going over the next 4 days, knocking out quite a few little areas. Supposed to have hit our area, but I didn't notice any difference. But so I'm assuming some of the substations. So we managed to dodge a bullet there, so to speak, or dodge a lightning bolt. Managed to get through with electric. Not that it really worried me. Just sat in front of a fan, so worst case scenario would have been sitting with no fan. Still plenty of exercise equipment for everybody. And the sewage pumping area, always good on the nose. Blah. I had to put that elsewhere. It's a big deterrent around here. Here comes. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five cameras there. 6. But how many people actually stop and look at them and obey them? Few do, few don't. See, red, they're still going. Now they go. Over there, as everybody should know, is what on. That's roughly where we are. Did test that. Riding motorcycles on predominantly a pedestrian area should be banned. Should have their scooters confiscated. Anyway, nice to see they put some shrubs or trees around the monument there. Looking good. A few little subtle things here and there makes things a lot better. Now we're getting down into the busier end of everything. Down near the Royal Palace area. Ah, there. Sit down soon and have a little drink of Koopy Cola. What, is you? Oh, okay. Go this way instead. Been told. A little woofer. Oh well. Going to walk past everybody else that's selling stuff. And the river is quite low. Oh no, just come off. A little riverside cruisy. Wonder if there's anything special to look at along here. Salted. Baloots or whatever you want to call it. Sausages. If you're hungry. Baguettes. Plenty to find, so I'd find somewhere acceptable to sit to drink. Sticky rice, meat, fruits, mini salts, mingo. Koi nuts. Oh, some crabbies, some snails. There you go. Seen that one for a while. Some crabbies. Octopusy. Squiddy. Animes. Saladies and drink. More egos. Puffed out hoops. Snails. Haven't had them yet. I'm told they're rather chewy. Steamed corn. And there's one thing. FCC Hotel. A couple of lights going there, so they might have a bit of action in there doing some more work inside. So might be up and running eventually. So time will tell on that one, dare I say. Get down here a little further. More people selling same but same. Getting in early for Khmer New Year. Salad. More eggies. Bit of grilled meat. Must be a special on snails today. Bit of waffle, prawn cakes, yeah. Try to stay away from those things. Come here first up. Oh, it went through me like a Red Bull. Yeah. Sit up here. Peanuts, salad, water. So it does get busy down this end. Just got to find somewhere to sit and I'm going to park it. There you go. Some delicious stuff. And that was your crickets and bugs. I should have stopped further back there. Busy now. Where are you going to sit? Huh? Oh, busy everywhere. Go up here. Oh, I'll leave it at that. It's my little walk for tonight. Just down from Bug City. And a little look on a Mekong. Oh, Tonle Sap. Mekong's over there. See down in the distance there, the bright lights. Koh Nadia, Koh Pik. Anyway, ciao for now. Catch ya.